Withdrawing money from Kraken to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access the Kraken website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, locate the funding tab in the main menu. Click on it to view your available funding options. Step 3. Select withdrawal. In the funding section, find and select the withdraw option. This will allow you to choose how you want to withdraw your funds. Step 4. Choose your currency and bank account. Select the currency you wish to withdraw, e.g. USD, Euro, and then choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you haven't added a bank account yet, you will need to do so. Step 5. Enter withdrawal amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, as processing times may vary.